it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got something interesting from a company called That's Asia. Sweet and sour sauce with noodles. 90 second, I want to say it's a 90-minute spin in the microwave. That would be excessive. So what's the deal? Add the noodles into the box. Add the sauce into the box. Place noodle box in microwave on high for 90 seconds. Mix thoroughly and serve. Beware of hot box when you take it out. We're going to hot box it. Hot box noodles, ladies and gentlemen. What a wild world we lived in. Before, you know. Anyway, so I was going to talk to you today about the cheese. So, a long time ago, we've got a chain of grocery stores here called Winco Foods, where everybody bags their own food, included spork. That's fancy. Everybody bags their own foods, which saves you money. That's a cleaner theirs. And, the low price leader. Anyways, yeah, and they're pretty cheap. Well, they have some odd things come through there sometimes. And one of the things they had in there, I couldn't resist because I'm a cheapskate. It was like, like Kraft Singles, processed cheese slices. Well, they had one called American Heritage. God, what is it? Imitation processed cheese food. I think there was another word in there. But so, as if it's not bad enough being processed cheese food, this isn't even that. This is an imitation of that. And there's no milk in it. There's a lot of chemicals. And it honestly was horrible. And it was like $1.45 for like 8 slices, 16 slices. It was cheap. And you definitely get what you pay for. It was cheap, and it was not a flavorful wonder thing. Okay, so we got our noodles and sauce all lugubriating in there. I'm going to run this at 80%. I don't think 1250 watts would do this justice. So, we're going to do 90 seconds. That's a minute and a half. A minute and a half. Power level. Ease on back there. There we go. So, that's what we're doing. I got some chicken that I can throw in it, But it's sweet and sour. Now, often sweet and sour is just way too much. And I have a feeling in this situation it is going to be the same. It's not going to be a wonderful deal. I got a plate. Look at that. Wow. But, yeah. This is kind of a set of 3 that I'm doing this morning that are not like the... The first one I did was a peppered fish head, and that was really good. I like that. Not so sure about the other ones that I'm going to be doing today, but we will see, learn, find out, and gratify ourselves with knowledge. Man, I love that generative fill that's in Adobe Beta, Photoshop Beta. So nice. I'm doing my backgrounds with it. It's a lot of fun. AI is more than welcome to take over our lives. It's just so nice. We'll see if it takes over the world and destroys everything in it. It's up to it, really. Wow, that's hot. violently hot noodles. Even at a piddly 80%, which is about 1,000 watts. It's kind of, like I said, lugubrious. Wow, it's hot and it's mucky muck. We'll see how this all goes. I'm kind of afeared. But it's made in Thailand. It's gotta be good. Oh, but they're making it for the US market, so they're trying to make the flavor appealing for Americans, which is generally not advisable. Sweet and sour, huh? I'm getting like Campbell's vegetarian vegetable soup out of the scent of this. There you go. Cheers. No, not in the slightest sweet and sour. Not even actually. Sometimes they'll do like sweet and sour, and the food scientists are like, well, I'm from China. Here's our sweet and sour. And the sour comes from black vinegar. So it's like, okay, that doesn't taste like sweet and sour we have here, and it's made for the US market. I'm going to give it a lower score. If it's sweet and sour and it's made for the Chinese market, it would get no deduction. Got me? Yeah. So there's a lot of things that go into the score. Generally, it's like if I like it or not, but one thing's for sure. If it's supposed to taste like some kind of semblance of sweet and sour and it doesn't, it loses marks for it. Now the question is, at this point, does it taste good? Well, it's going to require another taste. I think that's for sure. I don't know, I'm just getting like sadness. No, I don't like it. I didn't expect to like it, but I didn't expect it to be this weird. But I put some chicken in it. Kind of a waste of chicken. Since I don't eat what you see me eat here, that's all I'm eating. And so I've been like using some chicken on it and then taking it off and then using it again. This chicken lasted 3 days as far as stunt chicken goes. Yeah. No. I don't know what that's supposed to be. That's so weird. It has absolutely nothing that makes me think of sweet and sour, and that's a shame. I don't think that would have been too hard to do. But it'll eventually get posted and somebody go, oh my god, that looks so delicious. I'm like, yeah, well, it's getting... I don't know. It's not going to get zero. Maybe it will get 0 stars. It's part of it too is I want to like let people know if I like it or not, and if it's nothing like what they're probably going to expect, especially being sold in the U.S. market, why would I steer them saying, "Oh, it's kind of good"? Yeah, this is not what it purports to be. It's a little evil. Yeah, so I got this at what do you call it? Fred Meyer in Linwood, Washington, I think. Yeah, and I want to say it was like $3-4. Way too expensive for what it is. You might like it, but honestly, I am like not enthused in the slightest. You know, if you want to give it a try, I guess you could. Nobody's gonna stop you. Give it $4 and try it. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe. It really helps me out, makes me happy, and it'll make you a better person. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.